Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dog blow dryer is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to keep their furry friend looking and feeling their best, especially after a bath or a rainy day adventure, ensuring a quick and efficient drying process that minimizes discomfort for your beloved companion while leaving their coat soft, shiny, and free from that lingering damp smell, ultimately making grooming a more enjoyable experience for both of you. Number 5. SHELANDY Groomer Partner Pet Hair Force Dryer, Blue. Experience the incredible power of this pet hair dryer, boasting a 2400W motor and adjustable settings. It delivers a strong airflow to dry your pet efficiently. With adjustable airflow speeds ranging from 65 to 135 miles per hour, this dryer is perfect for pets of all sizes, from small cats to large dogs. Get the right setting for every furry friend. Enjoy a quieter grooming experience thanks to its new noise reduction technology. It also features 2 heating temperature settings for your pet's comfort. The stretchable hose extends up to 7 feet, giving you plenty of reach. It comes with 4 different nozzle types to tackle any grooming need. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. You can easily make a claim for a hassle-free replacement of the entire unit if needed. What we like? This dryer boasts a powerful 2400W motor with adjustable airflow, making it versatile for all dog sizes. Its new noise reduction technology ensures a calmer grooming experience. If you have a dog that gets easily spooked by loud noises, or if you need a dryer that can handle everything from tiny cats to large breeds, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This dryer is very powerful and dries my dog quickly. The dryer comes with multiple attachments that are useful for different coat types. It's relatively quiet compared to other dog dryers I've used. Number 4. EGFKI High Velocity Pet Dryer. Experience the incredible drying power of this high-velocity pet dryer. Its robust 3800W motor effortlessly tackles thick fur, leaving your pet's coat smooth and shiny. Customize your drying experience with adjustable speed and temperature settings, ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in safety system prevents overheating for peace of mind. Equipped with 4 distinct nozzles, this dryer is perfect for various pet types and drying needs. It's also handy for drying other surfaces around your home. Designed with noise reduction technology, it operates significantly quieter than other dryers. This makes it ideal for pets sensitive to loud noises, ensuring a calmer grooming session. The thickened metal casing and insulated hose ensure safe operation. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grooming experience every time. We are here to help with any questions you may have. Our customer service team is ready to provide immediate assistance for your satisfaction. What we like? With an impressive 5.2 HP 3800W, this dryer offers strong blow force for efficient drying and de-shedding. Its low noise and heat insulation make it suitable for sensitive pets, and it can even be used for other tasks like drying your car. If you're looking for a professional-grade dryer that can tackle thick coats and offers versatility beyond pet grooming, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great dryer for my dog. It has multiple heat settings and speed settings, which allows me to customize the drying experience for my dog. The dryer is lightweight and easy to hold, even for extended grooming sessions. The noise level is also surprisingly low, which is great for anxious pets. I love that this dryer comes with several nozzle attachments, each designed for different coat types. It really helps to speed up the drying process and achieve a professional finish. Number 3. High Velocity Dog Dryer. Introducing our High Velocity Dog Dryer, designed for efficient grooming. Experience powerful drying without the excessive noise, making grooming sessions more pleasant for you and your pet. Customize the drying experience with adjustable speed and heat settings. This allows you to tailor the airflow and temperature to suit your dog's specific needs and coat type. Equipped with 4 different nozzles, this dryer offers versatility for various grooming tasks. Each nozzle is designed to target specific areas and coat types effectively. Perfect for all breeds, especially large dogs with thick coats. It's also an excellent tool for de-shedding, helping to reduce loose fur around your home. Achieve professional grooming results in the comfort of your own home. This dryer provides the power and features needed for a thorough and efficient grooming process. What we like? This high-velocity dryer is designed for quiet operation, making it ideal for anxious pets. It's specifically highlighted for its effectiveness on large dogs with thick coats, aiding in de-shedding. If you own a large breed with a dense coat and prioritize a stress-free drying experience for your pet, this dryer is a strong contender. What people say. The dryer is powerful and dries my dog quickly. It has multiple heat and speed settings, which is great for different coat types. The noise level is surprisingly low, my dog isn't scared of it. Number 2. PetCove Dog Grooming Kit. Introducing the PetCove Dog Grooming Kit, your complete solution for at-home pet grooming. It's designed to make grooming easier and more efficient for both you and your pet. Experience a quiet grooming session with its 3-speed suction and 3 heat settings. This device is designed to be gentle yet effective, ensuring your pet's comfort. Keep your space clean with the integrated 2.6L dustbin that efficiently collects pet hair. The HEPA system ensures that the air remains fresh and free of allergens. This kit includes clippers, a nail grinder, and a blow dryer, offering versatility for all your pet's grooming needs. Achieve professional results right in your home. Designed with self-cleaning brushes, maintenance is a breeze. Enjoy a hassle-free grooming experience from start to finish. What we like. This is a complete grooming kit that includes clippers, a nail grinder, and a blow dryer with quiet 3-speed suction. It also features a 2.6L dustbin with a HEPA system to capture loose hair. If you're looking for a comprehensive grooming solution that also helps manage shedding and dander, this all-in-one kit is an excellent option. What people say. This dryer is very powerful and dries my dog quickly. It has multiple heat and speed settings, which is great for different coat types. The noise level is surprisingly low, my dog wasn't scared at all. Number 1. 4.5 HP all-in-one pet grooming dryer. Experience powerful blow force with our upgraded dryer, featuring stepless adjustable speed from 600W to 3400W. It quickly dries pets of all sizes, allowing you to select the perfect wind level for a thorough dry after their bath. Keep your pet comfortable with our special design that ensures a safe working temperature. Choose between cold or warm air, with a temperature range of 85 degrees Fahrenheit - 160 degrees Fahrenheit, for a pleasant drying experience. Our dryer is designed for safety and peace. The thickened metal case and new noise reduction technology effectively reduce noise and vibration, preventing your pet from getting frightened. Groom your pet with ease using the 4 included nozzles, perfect for different body parts and styling. The flexible hose extends up to 75 inches, giving you ample freedom of movement. This all-in-one kit includes the dryer, 4 nozzles, a flexible hose, a pet towel, a grooming glove, and a comb. We also offer a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This dryer offers a powerful 4.5 HP motor with stepless speed adjustment for quick drying of all pet sizes. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a comb, towel, and glove, for a complete grooming experience. If you appreciate having all the necessary tools bundled together for a thorough and efficient grooming session, this all-in-one dryer is a great value. What people say. This dog blow dryer has a low noise motor, which is very quiet and will not scare your pet. The dryer has 3 different nozzle attachments, including a brush nozzle, a wide concentrator nozzle, and a narrow concentrator nozzle, to meet different drying needs. The dryer has a built-in heating device, and the temperature can be adjusted from 30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.